file this under things that I am doing whenever I should be doing 8 million other things and my daughter's napping. But it's so much fun to make these Baby Yoda cupcakes. Basically, you're just taking some green frosting, putting on top of a cupcake, any flavor you like, then splitting an Oreo in half, then chopping it in half, and using that to make his ears. Cover it all with more green frosting, and it'll take you a little bit to get there, but once the whole thing's slathered, you'll basically have Yoda's head. And whether this is Baby Yoda or adult Yoda or angsty teenage Yoda, that's totally your call. It's, I guess, all in the matter of how smooth you make Baby Yoda's skin. I don't know. Anyway, smoothing. We could be here a little while. All right, I think I'm almost done. Maybe? Do. Okay. Then I added a little dollop for the nose because Baby Yoda has a tiny little nose. And then it came down to, oh wait, never mind. I wanted to perfect that nose a little bit. And then I added brown M&Ms for the eyeballs. And you can't forget a little gel frosting smile. That's it, Baby Yoda. Thanks for joining me on this random adventure of making cupcakes while staying in.